What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in Five Below. It's been a minute, but I knew you guys would want to see some of these new Easter items. We have chocolate as low as 50 cents, and I'm pretty sure it's the little RM Palmer mini bunnies. These ones by Frankfurt are $1.25. We have some super cute and new vinyl pet toys by Peeps. Oh my gosh. So cute. And Bunny Birdy Gator colors. Love those. We have these cute little spring bud plushies for $3 each. You like my squeaky boys? For $5 over here, you guys, we have even more Peeps. Super cute. I don't know if I'm going to be showing any items from Peeps. Last year, they sent me a huge PR package, and I even had some Peeps and Crocs slides. It was like a really cute collab that they did, and I'm really hoping I get one again this year, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not. This is so cute. This is just a $3 tutu. Pet and owner socks. Super cute. Over here we have egg-shaped Krabby Patties. Whoa, you guys, this is 9.52 ounces. A whole lot of Krabby Patty. We even have gummy bunnies. Gummy bunnies, those are $5. The big Russell Stovers are $5. And we also have edible grass. This is a return. Every year we always see the edible grass. And then even more candy over here. I don't want to spend like the whole time on candy, but I do have to show you guys the candy because like these, for example, these are amazing, and these only come out around Easter. These are the Swedish fish jelly beans. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. We also have Skittle jelly beans, Sour Bright jelly beans, Sweet Tart jelly beans. I've had those before. They're really good. We also have, do we have another variety? Nope, just the two varieties. And then we have all of the little already filled eggs. And then the big ones, these are $3 each. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, look at this. These are super cute. The pop-up lollipops by Peeps. This is like a whole Peeps display from $2 to $5. Party cake, hot tamale. You got to come here to Five Below if you guys want to find the other flavors, because Dollar Tree only has party cake, classic, yellow, blue, purple, pink, and then they have the coffee flavored ones, but they have fruit punch and hot tamales here. Both of these are really good. And then over here we have even more. Yeah, these are the ones that Dollar Tree has. The donut shop ones. Ooh, sparkly wild berry. I think I tried that one last year. We also have the giant bunny. Those are super cute. And then we also have an actual milk chocolate covered marshmallow. Love that. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so pretty. $1 eggs or grass. Don't you guys love that their dollar items are still just $1? We have these at Dollar Tree, but these are $1.25. But here, just $1, and I love that we have these little faceted ones. And then these are new this year. These are new this year. These are new this year. These have returned once again. Again, they're 12 in a bag for $1. I love these so much. Like, these are so pretty. I think these are brand new for this year. And then the gold glitter ones are back again. And then we have tons of $1 grass. Some of it's paper and some of it is plastic. Wow. Easter baskets. Oh, look how cute. The SpongeBob, Baby Shark. All of the wooden baskets for $3. $3 out the door. And then we also have these cotton ones. These are back from last year. I believe the carrot one is new this year and the butterfly one is new this year. And then we have some that are wooden with a little liner. Ooh, this one is pretty. This one came out last year. This would be so pretty with eggs like that, wouldn't it? Or even those. I think these would be perfect. Look at that. Look at this little one with the bunny on it. So cute. They're actually bamboo baskets. And then over here, We have stools for $5, cooler totes, cushions. We have towels and cushions. This is so cute, a nice little glass dispenser. The big jumbo discs are here. Hula hoops for $2. We even have some $5 umbrellas. I don't know how sturdy this is gonna be. Has anyone ever used theirs before? Has anyone ever bought one? Because I have an umbrella stand for our deck. They're saying this is a beach umbrella though. So I'm wondering how sturdy it's gonna be. If you guys have purchased one, please let me know down in the comments how well you like it, how sturdy it is on those really windy days. Oh, these are so cute. These are $2. This is definitely a brand new one. The light green, this shade of pink, and I think this one is a return from past years. Okay, let's keep it moving, you guys. I just wanted to show you like all of the new items here, all of the Easter items. $5 Stitch. It's a little dancing figure. We have boxing gloves for $5. A little storage stand. Oh, it's for Switch. What? Does it have anything on the back? Clean appearance, drawer design, game case storage, easy assembly, and controller hanger. These are kind of nice. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then we actually have, Gator already has one of these, but we have travel cases for Switch. Actually for Switch Lite. I actually saw these one day I came in, but it was really busy and I didn't film that day, but we had bins and bins of Squishmallows. I know you guys love Squishmallows, and it looks like they've been in stock for a while now, but TikTok made them so popular that I feel like there was like 2 years straight where we just couldn't even get our hands on any Squishmallows. I love this one. It's like a kitty giraffe. I touched up a nail before I came in. That's why I'm being kind of, you know, dainty or not really handling a lot of things. We have a koala. We have a cute little raccoonicorn. We have a little otter unicorn. This one has the cutest face. Koala. Again, these are all $5.95. We have panda. We have a lot to choose from. Oh my gosh, who's this? It's Forky. Forky. We have, oh, Edna. Hey, Edna. We have, who else is in here? Who is this? Okay, he looks familiar. What's his name? It's Russell. It's Russell. Russell's here. Where's Russell even from? Now that my kids are getting older, I'm losing touch with like some of the really young characters. Is Russell from what? It's Pixar. Tell me in the comments if you guys know who Russell is from. I don't know who Russell is from. A whole lot of Ednas in here. Yeah, you guys. Lots and lots of Squishmallows. A lot of $1 options here. The $3.25 Gloobies, $1.25 marbles, $1 little stretchy bracelets, Peeps lip balms. These ones are new. The $1 bandanas, and then these great neck pillows. They feel like squishies. They feel so good. These are just $5. But you guys, I'm gonna head on down the store, head on down the aisle, and film even more for you guys. I can't wait to see what's new in clothes and in makeup. There's just so many new items. I love coming and filming when the season changes and then we can just see all the new things that have been added. But hey, you guys, look out for my very next Five Below video, because I will be filming probably 2 more videos in here, and I am super excited to show you guys what's new. But all right, you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.